Hi everyone. The title of our paper is Numerical Analysis of Thermal and Residual Stresses in a Concentric Welded Tube, presented by Dr. Gauri Subramanya, Associate Professor, Videsh PR, Assistant Professor, Srikantamurthy JS, Assistant Professor from JSS ATE Bangalore. Introduction. Within the oil industry, oil and gas pipeline, with its economic security, efficiency, professionalism, and rapid development, critical welding requires expert knowledge of various materials and many welding processes. Welding is a thermomechanical process with conduction and convection between welding body, fluid flow, and environment. Welding is a very complicated, time-dependent physical phenomenon with material nonlinearity. In the present paper, the weld thermal and residual stresses fields are calculated by using a commercial finite element analysis software by integrating sequentially coupled approach. Stress is a measure of the internal forces which after beyond certain limits will make a permanent shape change or structural failure. So hoop stress is the force exerted circumferentially, that is perpendicular to both to the axis and to the radius of the object in both direction on every particle in the cylinder. Hoop stress is given by Pi minus Pe into T divided by 2 times of T, where Pi represents internal pressure, Pe represents external pressure, D represents outside diameter, and T represents pipe wall thickness. So governing equation below is the governing equation which is used for solving this finite element method. So where dou by dou x into kx into dou t by dou x is equal to q, where T is the temperature and q is the rate of heat generated per unit volume and k is the heat conductivity. Figure 2 shows the finite element model. For this finite element model, hexahedral mesh is being generated and internal pressure of the oil which is flowing is being applied and the welded temperature is applied to the welded location as a boundary condition. So after analyzing these are some of the results. So out of which this is the first figure 3 shows the temperature plots. We found that maximum temperature found to be around 365 degrees C, so which is near the welded points. And we also plotted total deformation plots. So that means deformation due to the higher temperature as well as due to the pressure load. So here we found that the deformation is around 0.04786. This is the total deformation which is occurred near the welded joints. And also we recorded equivalent stresses. So equivalent 1 MICE stresses, the maximum stress found to be 618 megapascal near the welded points, and the zoom view shows the maximum 1 MICE stresses. From this, we concluded that from the present analysis, it is shown that it is possible to simulate the thermal stresses in service welding using finite element analysis software. A three-dimensional finite element model of concentric welded joint have been developed and analyzed. An internal fluid pressure, that means internal oil pressure which is coming out of the well, is applied to simulate the hoop stresses and to understand the stresses and deformation the welded joint is experiencing. So we found that thermal stresses for varying internal pressure has been studied at elevated welding temperatures. So from this we analyzed that the material which we used is within the safety limits. Thank you for listening. Thank you.